When it comes to enhancing the beauty, comfort, and functionality of your home, few upgrades make as lasting an impression as Bow Windows. Known for their graceful curves and panoramic design, Bow Windows have been a favorite among homeowners for generations, and for good reason. For residents in Pell City, where charm and southern character meet modern living, Bow Windows perfectly blend timeless elegance with today's energy-efficient performance. Whether you live in a classic brick home or newer contemporary design, Bow Windows can transform your space inside and out. Here's why they remain one of the most enduring and valuable window choices for Pell City homes. Classic design that enhances curb appeal. Bow windows are beloved for their elegant, curved appearance. Unlike flat window styles, they extend gracefully outward from the home's facade, creating a gentle arc that adds depth, dimension, and architectural interest. From the street, a bow window instantly becomes a focal point, giving your Pell City home a distinctive and upscale look. Whether you choose a traditional 4-panel bow window or a larger 5-panel configuration, the design adds timeless sophistication that complements any architectural style, from classic southern homes to modern builds. Beyond beauty, bow windows also increase natural light, making your home feel brighter and more welcoming from the inside. Expanding interior space and natural light. Because bow windows project outward, they don't just look beautiful from the outside, they also expand your interior living space. The outward curve creates a cozy nook that can serve as a seating area, reading corner, or decorative ledge for plants and decor. Their multi-pane design allows sunlight to stream in from different angles throughout the day. For Pell City homeowners who enjoy Alabama's mild winters and sunny days, bow windows are a perfect way to invite more natural light into your home while maintaining a soft, even glow that enhances comfort and mood. Improved energy efficiency for year-round comfort. While traditional bay and bow windows were once seen as energy-weak spots, today's designs offer outstanding energy efficiency, a must for Pell City's hot summers and cooler winters. Modern bow windows feature double or triple pane glass for superior insulation, low-E coatings that reflect heat and block harmful UV rays, argon or krypton gas fills between panes to reduce heat transfer, weathertight seals to prevent air leaks and drafts. These technologies work together to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, helping you stay cool in summer and warm in winter. As a result, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can lower your monthly energy bills and extend your equipment's lifespan. Versatility and customization options. One of the biggest reasons bow windows remain a timeless favorite is their versatility. They can be customized to fit almost any home style or personal preference. Choose between vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or composite frames, and select finishes that complement your home's color scheme. You can even combine fixed-picture windows with operable casement or double-hung windows within the bow configuration, giving you both stunning views and functional ventilation. Bow windows can also be paired with draperies, valances, or plantation shutters to create a personalized look that matches your decor. Boosting home value and market appeal. Replacing standard windows with bow windows is more than just a visual upgrade. It's an investment that adds tangible value to your property. Home buyers are drawn to features that combine beauty and practicality, and bow windows deliver both. They enhance curb appeal, improve energy performance, and increase usable space, all features that help your home stand out in Pell City's competitive housing market. Even if you don't plan to sell soon, you'll enjoy daily benefits: more light, better views, and enhanced comfort. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Modern bow windows are built to last. With materials like vinyl or fiberglass, they resist fading, cracking, and warping, even under Alabama's humid and sunny conditions. These materials are easy to clean and require minimal upkeep, making them a convenient, low-maintenance choice for busy homeowners. When professionally installed, bow windows can provide 20 years or more of reliable performance, making them a long-lasting addition that continues to add beauty and comfort year after year. A timeless upgrade for Pell City homes. From their elegant curves and panoramic views to their energy efficiency and lasting value, bow windows are an exceptional choice for any Pell City home. They combine classic design with modern performance, offering a perfect balance of form and function. If you're ready to upgrade your home, consult a trusted Pell City window installation professional who can help you choose the best materials and styles for your space. With expert craftsmanship and high-quality materials, your Bow windows will become a centerpiece of comfort, beauty, and value for years to come.